Hello everyone and welcome to this video. This is the logo that we will be designing in this video, and as you see it looks like a chat application. I already created our page, so we start by selecting the ellipse tool and drawing symmetrical circle in here. You draw symmetrical circles by holding shift button while you draw them. Now we paint the circle with this color, we place it here, then we select the pen tool and we place the first dot right here. The second one here, we click and drag like this to make a curvy line. Then again in here. Perfect, we click enter from the keyboard to apply the changes. Now we change the fill to stroke. We make it in black. We zoom in a little bit. We select the line and we hold the Alt button and we drag it to duplicate it like this. Sorry, I need to go back. I go to edit. First I select it, then I go to edit and copy, then edit, paste in place like this to make sure that it's pasted in its place. Now we hold the lower or the upper key from the keyboard to drag it like this. Now we select the whole shape, then we go to the shape builder tool and we delete the leftovers of the lines like this. Then we delete the middle of the shape like this. Perfect. Now we select the pen tool and place the first dot here. Second one here, we click and drag to make a curvy line. Then we select the last dot, place the next one, we click and drag like this. Perfect. Then we connect the last dot with the first one like this. Now we go to the eyedropper tool to make the shape in the same color as the whole shape like this. Now we select the whole shape. Then we uncheck the stroke like this. Then we make this one in green like this. We paint the lower or the upper part in green like this. Now we select the ellipse tool, we hold the shift button and we make sure, we hold the shift button and we draw symmetrical circle in here. Now we make it in white. We hold the Alt button, then we drag it to duplicate it like this. Again. And we select the three shapes like this. Sorry. I hold the Control and Shift button to select the whole shapes, all the three circles like this, and drag them all in the same time like this. We center them in here. Perfect. Just a little bit adjustment right there, right here. Perfect. I need to make sure that it's the same space between all the three circles. Perfect. And our design is completed, almost completed. Now we hold the shift button and we adjust the size of the shape like this. Then we select the text tool and we type here social media for an example. Or maybe social chat. We adjust the size of the text like this, we change the font, and as I always say in every video, you can change the text font, color, size to whatever you want. As I say, it depends on your project and what you are trying to make or to create. Now we hold the shift button and we adjust the size of the text like this. And as I said, always make sure to hold the shift button so that the metrics of the text stay the same. And as you see, while not holding the shift button, things get a little bit tricky. But when you hold the shift button, it becomes easier to adjust the size. Now we make the text in a little bit lighter black. And here we are. This is the final look of our final logo design. And we have reached the end of our course. Thanks for watching, and I hope it was very useful to you. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, don't hesitate to contact me and I will get back to you as soon as possible.